14 November is a day dedicated specially to children. Children's Day, also known as Bal Divas, is celebrated in our country every year on 14 November. The day also commemorates the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru regarded children as the future of the country and was known for his affection and love for kids. He was also popular among children and they fondly called him as Chacha Nehru. In one of his speeches, Nehru said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country." After Nehru's demise in 1964, his birth date, 14 November, was declared to be celebrated as Children's Day every year. Dear students, wish you all a very happy Children's Day. This year, COVID-19 has given us a chance to celebrate this day in a different way. So let's celebrate your childhood and childhood of your parents and teachers together.
वो भूली दास्तां लो फिर याद आ गई, वो भूली दास्तां लो फिर याद आ गई। नजर के सामने घटा सी छा गई, नजर के सामने कुछ खेल से खेले, हवा में जुल्फ लहराए, नजर पे बेखुदी छाए, खुले थे दिल के दरवाजे, मोहब्बत भी चली आए। तमन्नाओं की दुनिया पर जवानी छा गई, वो भूली दास्तां लो फिर याद आ गई। भटके हुए साए, ये कुछ भूले हुए नगमे जो मेरे प्यार ने गाए, ये कुछ बिछड़ी हुई यादें, ये कुछ टूटे हुए सपने, पराए हो गए तो क्या कभी ये भी थे अपने। न जाने इनसे क्यों मिलकर नजर शर्मा गई, वो भूली दास्तां लो फिर याद आ गई।
Red one. Yeah, you already know. Yeah. Hey, I gotta reach for the life that I'm living for. I gotta look to the sky when it's gonna pour. And no fear for the fight when you're about to score. And that's a matter of fact. And that's a matter of fact. Cause when you see me, you see me, you see me ballin'. Body to body, I hear him calling. Yo, we going up and we never falling. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Cause this is how we do it. There ain't no other way. You see how we moving. Love finds us every day.